In this video, I'll show you how to use Airodump-ng, a tool that's included in the Airocrack-ng package and is used for IEEE 802.11 frames capturing. It's a reconnaissance tool used also to capture the WPA2 4-way handshake that's needed to crack the Wi-Fi password. All commands should be executed as root. In Kali Linux, the tool is already available, but on other distributions, you can install it by executing apt install Airocrack-ng. Airocrack-ng is the package that contains Airodump-ng. So apt install Airocrack-ng. To see a summary of its options, execute Airodump-ng --help. Every access point in the range sends out about 10 so-called beacon frames per second. These small frames contain a lot of information about the Wi-Fi networks and their clients, like the network name or ESSID, the encryption used, the channel the AP operates on, and many more. So in fact, Airodump-ng performs passive reconnaissance. It listens for beacons and displays the information continuously on the screen. Airodump-ng is used at the beginning of an attack to look out for potential targets. Prior to looking for Wi-Fi networks and clients, you must put your Wi-Fi card into monitor mode. Monitor mode is a special mode that allows your Wi-Fi adapter to listen to every wireless packet in the range. Let's put the adapter into monitor mode. I've explained all these commands in the last lecture, so I'm gonna just execute them fast. Airmon-ng check, Airmon-ng check kill, and Airmon-ng start WLAN 0, the name of the interface. If your interface has another name, use that name. You can check the name by executing ifconfig. In my case, it's WLAN 0. It has created another interface and appended mon to it. So WLAN 0 has become WLAN 0 mon. And to confirm it is in monitor mode, I've executed iwconfig and we see the mode. And we start Airodump-ng on WLAN 0 mon Wi-Fi card. Airodump-ng -i and the name of the interface. I'll change the theme to a darker one to see it better. Okay, all the visible access points are listed in the upper part of the screen and the clients are listed in the lower part of the screen. You cannot see the lower part of the screen because there are so many APs. Airodump-ng hops from channel to channel and shows all access points it can receive beacons from. Keep in mind that a Wi-Fi card can operate on a single channel at a moment. Airodump-ng has to jump from channel to channel to scan the entire frequency band. The current channel is shown in the top left corner. The AP section shows the following information. BSSID is the MAC address of the access point. PWR is the signal strength or power. Beacons column displays the number of beacon frames received. The more beacons, the better the signal quality. Data column displays the number of data frames received. And CH is the channel on which the AP operates. MB column displays the speed of AP mode. Then comes ENC, which is the encryption used, and cipher, the protocol where CCMP is used with WPA2 and means Advanced Encryption Standard. Auth is the authentication type, where for example PSK means pre-shared key. And finally, the last column is the ESSID, which is the network name. Sometimes this can be hidden. Because of the channel hopping, it won't capture all packets from your target network. If we want to listen just on one channel, we use -C and the channel number. I'm stopping it by pressing Ctrl-C and then start it again only on channel 1. So I'm adding -C and 1. Now it's capturing packets only on channel 1. And if you want to capture the frames only from one AP, you add --BSSID option and the MAC address of the AP. Like this. --BSSID, and let's take this one. It's capturing packets only from this network. And if you want to save the capture to a file, you use -W and the name of the file. Let's say dump. In the bottom section, you'll see all clients connected to that particular access point and network. In this case, there's only one client.